question 25, find two fractions which are equivalent to 3/4. So what we've got shaded down here is 3 out of 4. What we've got shaded down here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 7, 8. So 6 out of 8. Down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of a possible 12. And then down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 out of a possible 13, 14, 15, 16. So 12 out of 16. Now, we could do that visually, but we're not always. And so these are equivalent fractions. You can see if these were pizzas, the same amount of each pizza is shaded each time. It's just you've got 3 large pieces, you've got 6 smaller pieces, 9 even smaller pieces, and 12 even smaller pieces. But the same amount is shaded each time. But you're not always going to have a diagram. So you need to have a different way to do this. So to make an equivalent fraction, you just times both numbers by the same thing each time. So you could do, I'm just going to write 3/4 down 4 more times here. So you basically just pick a number and times both numbers by the same thing. And then you'll get your equivalent fraction. So if you were to times both of these numbers by 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. That's that one there that we've got right there. If you were to times both numbers by 4, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. So you've got 12 16ths, which is that one there. But you can times by anything. It doesn't just have to be what the pictures we've got here. You could pick a random number. You could say like 20 times both by 20. 3 times 20 is 60. 4 times 20 is 80. So 60 80ths would be correct. You could even times by something quite tricky, like 17. You could go 3 times 17, 4 times 17. Now that's making life trickier than it needs to be. But if you were to do a quick column method to work out 3 times 17, you'd figure out that was 51. If you're a darts player, you know that straight away. Treble 17 is 51. And 4 times 17 is going to be 68. So 51 over 68 is also a fraction equivalent to 3/4. So there's various ways you could do this. There's an unlimited set of answers. You just pick a number and times both numerator and denominator by that same number.